Hello. Welcome back to school. I just got done with arithmetic class, which is fine. I don't know where my glasses are. But I haven't done like homework in a long time. And I haven't done like reading in a long time. But I want to try to get done with my arithmetic homework review pages before we start with the number 11, because I think we might be coming up on that soon. I just don't know when. But I have one book that has like a lot of pages. I think this is the one I was working on before. That had to go up to 60 something. This is the look my eye. This is the other book I'm working through. I think this one doesn't have as much, so I'll probably like do this one later. But this big thick one, it has more like a lot more pages. So I'm gonna work through this. I'm just gonna go through them orally, and then I'll have to, because he wants them written out. Teacher wants them written out, so I'll have to write out the problems later. But I will post the image, somewhere around in this area. We'll see. So last we left off, we were on page 28, which I really don't remember it, but I'm sure if I looked at it, I would remember it. But we're going to move on to 29. Lesson number 29. Oh yeah, this is the book with the pages that line up with the numbers. The lesson numbers, which is awesome. Yeah, this is Wentworth's primary arithmetic. Okay, this one says, how many hens? Oh, I gotta look and see what the picture is. The picture has a bunch of hens on it. I don't know if this is any better than what that one says, but that's my pictures of the hens. Okay, so the first one says, how many hens and chickens are there in the picture? Not counting the big rooster. Okay, so not counting the big rooster. Starting from the left, working our way to the right. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's the big rooster, and then there's 5, 6, and I think 7. 2 of them sitting up on the top there. So it looks like there's 7 of them. The next one says, counting the rooster, there are 8 in all. What? Is that a question? Counting the rooster, there are 8 in all? That doesn't make any sense, but okay. Yeah. How many little chickens do you see? There's, oh my gosh, 2, 3, at least 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I only see 3. We're gonna say there's only 3. Let me see what the next one's. I hate looking at these pictures. Stupid. I wonder if I could just skip these pages. Do you think you would notice? Next one. 4 hens. Oh, wait. How many odd hens do you see? What is an odd hen? How many odd hens do you see? We'll say 2, because they're the ones that are dark. But I don't know what an odd hen is. Or maybe it's, I don't know what an odd hen is. If I don't know what an odd hen is, I can't really answer it. Aren't hens usually brown? I don't know. Oh, that says old hens. I can't read. We'll say that there's one old hen. Maybe two, but I can't be for sure. Alright. I'm not sure on that one. I'll put down 1 or 2, because I just don't know. Next one. 4 hens, a rooster, and 3 chickens are how many fowls? 4 hens and a rooster is 5. And 3 chickens are 8. Because 5 and 3 are 8. If a little chicken should hide under the stairs, how many falls could you see? There would only be 7 falls that I could see if a chicken went under the stair. If 7 falls should fly over the fence, how many falls could you see? I'm gonna say 1. The last one. 2 hens should go. Oh, if 2 hens should go to their nests, how many falls would you see? We'll say 6. This is assuming that there's 8, because I'm not sure what the number is here. I think it's a number 8, but I don't know. Alright, the next lesson talks about a quarter. I'm just looking to see how many. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a long section. Alright, so we're talking about a quarter in lesson 30. Tell how many apples is divided. Tell how the apple is divided. We'll say that the apple is divided into 4, assuming that image is an apple. Tell how the square is divided. The square is also divided into 4. Tell how the circle is divided. The circle is divided into 4. When anything is divided into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1/4 of the whole. I see quarter notes and cratchits running around in my head right now. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Find 1/4 of this circle. Okay, they have these shapes, which is really small, so the odds of me just marking them is pretty, yeah. I'll just have to divide that when I write it up. And the same with the square, I'll have to divide that when I write it up. And the same with the rectangle, I'll have to divide that when I write it up because it's just not going to work orally. Find 1/4 of this 4 triangles. I guess it's just one of them. I think. So you mark out 4 triangles and then you like circle 1 triangle, I think. 1 triangle is what part of this group? That would be 1/4. Find 1/4 of these things. So they're groups of 2, but they're in 4. So it would be 1 group of 2 would be 1/4. Oh, those are tops. Those are spinning tops. 2 tops are what part of 4, 6, 8. 2 tops must be 1/4 of 8. Find 1/4 of these blocks. Again, I think it would just be 1 block. Find 1/4 of these blocks. I think it's 8 blocks again. 2, 4, yeah. So it would just be 2 blocks. Is 1/4 of the, yeah, we'll just leave it at 2 blocks. A boy has, oh my gosh, I don't like this. A boy has 8 pairs. Can't read. A boy has 8 pairs. If he sells 1/4 pair, if he sells 1/4 of them, how many will he sell? Yes. Oh, he would only sell 2 pairs. Because he has 8 already. John has 8 miles to walk. If he had walked 2 miles, what part of the distance had he walked? Or what part of the distance had he gone? He had gone 1/4 of his journey. 8 cents will buy how many 2-cent pencils? A good question. 8 cents will buy, I think it's 4 2-cent pencils. I think you can get 4 2-cent pencils with 8 cents. I'm not good at these with money. I don't like them. Think here. If you make 8 pen whippers. Pen whippers? What is a pen whipper? And make only 2 of a kind. How many kinds will you make? We're going to say 4. You're going to make 4 different pen whippers. Yeah. Alright. Moving on to the next section. I'm probably going to do these in 4-page increments. Just so that I can be able to get 4 pages on these. Yeah. Okay. Lesson 31. That's lesson 31, page 31. It looks like a boy and he's got a whole bunch of fishes. That's very interesting. Okay. Oh. Dan has 2 strings of fish. How many? I'm trying to find a good spot for light, just a little bit. I moved that. Is it gonna? Okay, I need a little bit of light to see. Otherwise, I can't read well. I can't read well anyways. Okay, lesson 31. Dan has 2 two strings of fish. How many are on the upper string? How many are on the lower string or the long string? How many has he in all? Okay, so I gotta look at this fish. The long string has, let's see. Oh my gosh. Well, he's got 1, 2, 3. He's got an upper string and a lower string. Let me see here. Well, on the long string, it looks like he's got 1, 2, 3. He might have 3 fishes on the long string. Or is that 1 fish? Maybe that's only 2 fishes. I can't really be for sure. I think it's 2. Maybe it's 3. We're going to say it's 3 fishes. The other string has 1, 2, 3, 4. Possibly 4. But again, it's hard to tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or is that part of the back end of the big one? He might have 3. No. 2 and 5. He might have 2 and 5, but I don't know. That's really hard to tell. Alright, the next problem. Oh, how many fishes has he in all? If he's got 2 on the bottom and 3, possibly 4 on the top, he has at least 7, maybe 8 fishes. Yeah. If he sells 5 fish, how many fishes does he have left? I don't know how many fishes he has. Okay. I might have to write this down because it's really hard to tell. Let me see if there's something in this that actually tells me how many fishes he has. 3 fishes. How many does he have left? These fishes all different. How many different kinds? Yes. Okay. So it looks like he's got 2 fish on the bottom. Maybe 3. Let me see. I might have to. I can't tell. I can't tell. These fishes are not very well distinct. Okay, we're gonna take you. I'm gonna flip you over. So I don't know if it's any better on your copy, but so there's, I guess that's the boy. That's a string. There's 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fish, 4 fish. It looks like that might be a 5th fish. Get my thumb out of the way. So he's got 5 on the top, 1 fish, 2 fish. I can't tell if that's 1 head or 2. We're going in. That's 1 fish. That looks like it's 1 fish. Okay, so that's the back end of that fish right there. So that is 1 fish, 2 fish, 3 fishes on the bottom. Then on the top, he's got 1, 2, for sure has 2. 1, 2, 3 fishes. And 3, 4 fishes. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4 fishes. 5 fishes. Oh dear good Lord. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, I think, and 5. So this is 5 fishes. That must go down here. But what is this? Is that part of that one? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fishes. And then here he's got 1, 2, 3. He has 3 fishes. So he's got 3 fishes and 5 fishes on the top. 3 and 5 are 8 fishes. Oh my gosh. All right. So he's got 3 fishes and 5 fishes. 3 fishes on the bottom and 5 fishes on top. And he has 8 fishes altogether. Wow. Yeah. All right, next problem. If he sells 5 fishes, how many fish will he have left? He will have 3 fishes. Of these fish are all different. Wait, I think I skipped one. Oh, if he sells 3 fish, how many fish will he have left? Of the 5, he'll have 2 fish left. Because he already sold the other 5. Wait, hold on. I think. He'll have 3 fish. He won't have any fish left. If he has got 8 fish and he sells 3 fish, he only has 5 fishes left over. If he has 8 fishes and he sells 5 fishes, then he only has 3 fishes left over. I hope that makes sense. Okay. Of these fishes, if these fishes are all different kinds, how many different kinds of fish has Dan? If all the fishes are different kinds, how many different kinds of fish? He would have 8 different kinds, but I don't know if that's right, because that's kind of weird. Okay. If it takes, 5 hash marks or 5 sticks, it takes 5 sticks to make a pentagon and 3 sticks to make a triangle. How many sticks will it take for both? It will take 8 sticks for both. I don't know what you guys are looking at. Oh, now you're looking more at the book. Oh well. Okay, how many will it take for both? Willie has 5 sticks and 3 sticks to work with. If he makes a a triangle, how many sticks will he have left? He will have 5 sticks left. If he makes a pentagon or pentagram, I don't know what that is. It looks like it's a pentagon. How many sticks will he have left? He will have 3 sticks left. If there are, 5 stars in one group and 3 stars in another group, how many stars are in both groups? There are 8 stars altogether, or 3 stars in one group and 5 stars in the other. Okay, I'm just checking to see how long this lesson is. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm gonna do this. I don't know what page this is, but it's got Tug of War. Page 32, lesson 32. Yeah, I'll do that, and then I'll do the slate work later. I'll do it orally, but I'll still do it, like, written out. This arithmetic will be in 2 parts. At least for this section on 8. Okay, 4 boys and 5 girls are pulling rope. How many children are pulling rope? 4 boys and 5 girls. That's 9. Yeah, that's 9 children pulling rope. That's interesting. Okay, well, 4. Oh, 4 and 4. I can't read. I swear. 4 and 4 are 8 children pulling rope. Yeah. If the rope is 4 feet long on the girl's end and 4 feet long on the boy's end, how long is the rope? 8 feet long. Play that 2 of the boys. Yeah, that's what it says. Play that 2 of the boys and 2 girls got tired playing. I don't know. Play that 2 I don't know. Anyways, 2 boys and 2 girls got tired. How many became tired? 4 children became tired. How many were there to pull the rope then? There would be 4 children pulling rope. In going home, that wording is really interesting. Unless it's just worded, I don't know. I'll have to look in the thing and see what it says. But that is weird wording. Play that 2 of the boys. Would it be at play? I don't know. In going home, these 8 children marched 4 in a line. How many lines did they form? They formed 2 lines. In going home, they found enough apples so that there was an apple for each 4 of the children. Can you tell how many apples they found? Okay, they found apples so that there was an apple for each 4 of the children. How many apples? Would they have found 4 apples? I think I'm gonna say 4 apples. If they saw 2 birds' nests with 4 eggs in each nest, how many eggs were there in both nests? They found 2 birds' nests. There would be 8 eggs together in both nests. If half of these children live in one home and half at another, how many live in each home? 4 live in each home. Annie found 2 4-leaf clovers. How many leaves did they both have? 8 leaves. Give a story for 8 boxes in a pile and tell how many were left in the pile if 4 fell off. Okay. Teacher had 8 boxes of textbooks, and 4 boxes, they were all stacked up, and 4 boxes fell off the pile. So then there would only be 4. I'm confused. There'd be 4 boxes left standing. Yeah. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. I'm going to continue on with the rest of this later. So, if you want to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget, ring the notification bell for all notifications.